After 3 months, it's a terrific feeling to have ANA's 787 back in the air, and I am very pleased to say that it was a perfect flight on a perfect day. We have provided 3 layers of protection to ensure that there is no airplane level incident and that the airplane can continue to fly and operate safely no matter what happens.
There is hardware, quite a bit of structure that gets changed around that supports the box. You can see the box, the thickness of this. It's a very solid box.